Properly.
Come with
Listen properly. The
me
aim of it is, can you see here? There's a glass of water.
and you'll be
There is a glass of water.
in
alone
a
at the end
world of pure imagination. Reach out, touch what was once just in your imagination.
No, you can drop the water. Water for toilet paper tears.
Don't be shy, it's alright if you feel a little trepidation. Sometimes these things don't need explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look at them and view it. Somebody to hold on to. All we really need, nothing else to
Keep rolling. Keep rolling it.
Keep rolling.
Faster, faster.
Keep rolling.
Hey, Chacha, let your mother win.
No.
Chacha, let your mother win.
Three, two, one, go.
come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life, I know,